Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. Check it out, y'all. Real quick, all of a sudden they got this big fence right here. So we got a huge privacy fence right there now. But anyhow, back out here for another morning flight. We back to 1S power, y'all. Got 1S, but this time we got it charged up to high voltage. Okay, recording and let's go. Oh. This guy fell safe on me right away. I can't even take off. Sheesh. This is crazy. This is where I ended up at, y'all. Perfect example why we need express LRS. This thing has D8 mode. Let's try to get it back in here. Try to get this guy up in the air. Let's get it. This thing is flashing saying I have no signal. Sheesh. .8 volts. I'm just cruising, y'all. This D8 receiver. Somebody walking along right there. This is where I fell safe at, y'all. I don't know why this little camera isn't doing that well. Sheesh, just missed that line there. Oops. Just missed the line and smacked the post. It's windy though. The wind is blowing. Hard to really steer away from where the wind is trying to make you go. Okay, I know what that means. I think this battery in the the battery in the darn goggles is going low.